Choosing the right solar installer can save you thousands. Here are 10 essential questions, ranked by importance, from Axiom Eco Homes. Installation typically takes 1 to 3 days and requires full scaffolding. A monitoring system lets you track generation and spot faults early via an app or web portal. Aftercare includes a handover pack, emergency call-out, and remote diagnostics for peace of mind. Scaffolding can add between £500 and £1,000, so get a fixed-price quote including VAT. Shading can reduce output by 10 to 20%. Ask for micro-inverters or power optimizers. An AC-coupled system lets you add battery storage now or later, boosting self-consumption. A structural survey and pitch or orientation analysis ensure your roof can support panels. The system must be MCS certified with an approved meter to qualify for the Smart Export Guarantee. Look for a 25-year panel performance warranty and a 10-year inverter warranty. This is the most important question. MCS certification and TrustMark registration are mandatory for Smart Export Guarantee payments. Make sure your installer ticks every box. Contact Axiom Eco Homes for expert guidance.